Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer repair video. Today we got the Canon TS-8120. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality, a certain color, either black or color, is not printing, or your prints are just coming out choppy, your photos don't have the same quality as before. Today I'm going to show you a method that is going to be very inexpensive for you. It's going to help you save a lot of money and help you fix your problem. Just so you know, I'm working on the Canon TS-8120, but a lot of the models prior and after, and even some that are not even the TS models, this is going to work for a wide variety of Canon printers. So stick around through the rest of the video and until the end, because I have a lot of information. This is the video that's going to help you fix your printer. I have helped hundreds of people save hundreds of dollars and fix their printers, so stick around and we're going to get right into the video. My product, which is right here, which is the cleaning kit, which I'm going to show you in the video at any time. Once you feel comfortable enough to make the purchase, there's going to be a link in the description below for you to go ahead and purchase it. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get right into the repair. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do with the printer is you're going to lift the top of it just like that. And once your print head comes right to the middle here, you're going to hold it in place and you're going to shut off the printer. Hold it just like that. You shouldn't have any resistance, and you're going to go ahead and remove your printer ink. Now, the main issue with these printers is that you're running your ink too low and you either didn't know it, your ink is just completely empty, and that is what is causing the issue. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to leave a link in the description below for some 280, 281 Canon ink. It's remanufactured ink. It's going to be a lot cheaper, but before you continue with the project, I highly recommend that you get that so that you can solve your problem, and so that right after you do the cleaning, you can go ahead and put some fresh ink in there. So you can go ahead and order this ink along with the print head cleaning kit together so that your shipping is a lot cheaper, and that'll help you save some money. Alright, so you're going to want to get half of a paper towel just like this. You can also purchase that through the link that I'm providing, but you're going to want to fold it up just like this so that it can, nice and flat, so you can fit it right under the print head. So you're going to slide the print head over. You're going to put your paper towel right down in there. Put your paper towel right down in there. Alright, and just like that, you're going to slide it right over the paper towel so that it's right in the middle. Alright, so next what you are going to need is the Best Printers print head cleaning kit. This comes with a large syringe, and it's going to come with tubing that can fit right over the nozzles on this printer. So I highly recommend that you use this specific cleaning kit. It has the ionized cleaning fluid in it, and it has the syringe, which is going to allow you to put more pressure into your print head, and it's going to help you solve your problem a lot quicker. You can get this for very inexpensively on through my link in the description below, and I highly recommend that you purchase this cleaning kit so you can solve your problem. Okay, so you are going to take the end of your cleaning kit syringe and you're going to place it right over the color that you're having most issues with. Now you can find the color that you're having issues with through the settings, going to printer maintenance, and you can print a nozzle page. Do a printer nozzle check, and that is going to print a page that lets you see what colors you're having issues with. Let's say it's photo blue. You're going to place your syringe right over just like that, and it's going to be perfectly enough for you to put some cleaning solution through. If it spills out a little bit just like that, that's not a problem. And if you want to do a cleaning in general and do, mainly and do all of the colors, is really up to you, but I highly recommend that you focus on the color that you're having most issues with. So just like that, with two hands, you're holding it right over the nozzle, and it's flush right over the nozzle. If you can use gloves with this, that would be perfect. Now the only nozzle that is bigger than this syringe is going to be this black one, but that's fine. You just place it right over the top if that's the color you're having issues with, and you're going to put about 10 milliliters in there of cleaning fluid, and the tighter you can get it, the better. So you using gloves is going to help you a lot more. Now there are some other additional instructions with the cleaning kit that I highly recommend that you follow, but really, let's say those were the colors that I was having the most issues with. You're going to come in here and you're going to dry everything down as soon as possible. You don't want any of these connectors to get wet, so you're going to clean this off right away. And if you're having any resistance Just keep on going, you know, warm up the solution if you need to, follow the additional instructions with the cleaning kit. And if you needed to do this 2, 3, 4 times, let's say the printer blue needs a little bit more, you know, go ahead and hit it one more time. Make sure you have a full syringe, and you're gonna just put in the additional amount in there. So it's a syringe that is very easy to use. It's larger so that your hand fits over it a lot better. And really what you're trying to do is just make sure that the end of this syringe, the tubing, the plastic tubing, is flush over the nozzle, and you are pushing as much cleaning solution through there as possible. So that's really all it is. Once you're done, again, clean everything off, and hopefully you should have gotten your new ink along with your cleaning kit, and you are going to go ahead and replace your ink. Once you have replaced your ink, you are going to go ahead and print some test pages. If you are still having issues for whatever reason, you have not solved anything even after doing all of this, and if you have determined what color it is and you've cleaned it 3, 4, 5 times, you use the whole bottle on cleaning it, the nozzle. After you have done that and you're still having issues, you put your ink back, and you have done the most you could. You've spent a lot of time on it. Also make sure to take out this this towel, which is going to be dirty like this. That's fine. But if you are still having issues after this, like I was mentioning, stick around and I'm going to have another solution for you. Now, hopefully this method worked for you and you went over it a couple times over the color you were having issues with, and it solves it. That is the case in 90 to 95% of the time. That is what happens, is you are going to end up cleaning out that dried up ink, which is what it is. It's dried up ink that's in there, and you can go ahead and continue to print normally. Now from now on, just make sure that if you're even running kind of low on that color again, just swap it out, you know, with some brand new ink, so that you don't have that issue again and you don't have to go through this again. But like I said, if you, after doing this, you put the ink back in and it didn't work for you, try taking the ink out a couple more times, you know, and testing, you know, go through that cycle 2 to 3 times before you really give up on it. You know, give this some time and just be patient with it. But if after everything this still doesn't work for you for whatever reason, no matter what printer it is time for you to buy a new printer. Now, unless you have a printer where your print head is removable, and if you look on the side, there should be a gray latch if it is removable. On some Canons it is, on this one it is not. So unfortunately, if this didn't work for you, it is time for you to buy a new printer. If you were wanting to buy the same printer because you had the ink, or you're wanting to get something similar, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for my website, bestprinterstech.com, and I'm also going to leave a link to this printer down there as well as a resource, so that if you wanted to go there, once you click on that link, you can see a lot of different types of printers that are similar to this one as well, the newer models, the TS-8120, and then some of the models below this. So whatever you were looking for is going to be in the description below. Now, to get these products quickly, I highly recommend that you use Amazon Prime. You can sign up for 30 days. You can cancel the subscription if you wanted to, but that's something that's going to allow you to get the cleaning kit, which should be available with Amazon Prime, and the ink, the printer ink, as well as the printer. So any of this stuff, if you wanted to get it quickly and you were really needing to get this done as fast as possible, that is a resource for you as well. So a lot of resources in the description below. I really hope that you'll go down there and take advantage of that. Now also, while I have you in front of me, just stick around for a few more moments and the video is about to end. This is a new up and coming channel, so if you would support me by hitting that subscribe button and hitting the like button, so that I would greatly appreciate that. As well as if you have any questions at all, or if you have anything you wanted to add, or any questions that you had on using the print head cleaning kit, go ahead and comment that below. I'll do the best I can to get back to you and to help you with whatever issue that you're having. I really just want to be a resource for you when it comes to printer ink, printers, and repairing your printer yourself, doing a DIY project. This is something anybody can do, and I highly recommend that you do this before you do anything else, because this can save you a lot of money, this cleaning kit right here. So again, make sure to like and subscribe. That's all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and until next time.